Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Rohit and today we'll talk about the dashboard. What is the dashboard and why we need to build the dashboard and how we can build the dashboard and how we can customize the dashboard. These are the topics we'll talk about in our today's video. So for running a project or a project manager or project management team, dashboard is a very important role. Even for a developer, dashboard is a very important so that they know that what are the stories assigned to them, or maybe as a project manager or scrum manager, they should also know that what are the stories is unassigned, what are the stories completed, who completed how many story. All this is very important factor in our dashboard. So let's understand. So what I'll do, I'll go to the dashboard and you can see right now I have a one default dashboard. So this is the default dashboard and that's how it looks like the dashboard, default dashboard. So if you see the dashboard, we have an introduction in the Jira assigned to me, activity stream, project. So here as a Jira admin, I can see what are the projects are there, introduction of the Jira assigned to me and then activity stream. In case I want to create my own dashboard or in case I want to make modification on the dashboard, I can do that. So let's understand that how we can first modify that. So to modify the dashboard, you have a options called edit. Once you click the edit, you will be able to see these dashboard edit options here. And here you can see change layout. So if you click the change layout, so in you have a option called 1, 2, 3, like this one you can see. So right sidebar, left sidebar, 3, 2, 1. So what does it mean by that? So if I click that 1, so only one gadget or only one report will be shown here. If I select 2, the report will be divided into the 2 part. If I select 3, the whole page will be divided into 3 part. So depending on your use case, you can actually change that. Okay, so let's say that you want to build a big report and that you want to show in this case. So you can just change the layout as a 2 and you can do that. Okay. Now you can, if you want to move that widget from here to there, you can just drag and it's a drag and drop. You can just move here and then add that like that. So let's today understand that how we can create a new dashboard. So, and then we'll come to this point, editing part. So to create a new dashboard, you have to go to the dashboard and then you can option called create dashboard. You can create the dashboard. Let's say that my dashboard. Okay, here you can put the description and then here you can define that who can view that. Let's say that view can by any group or any projects. I can say that the projects, and under this training project all they can see that. Who can edit? I can only edit, so that's the right I'm taking, and then I'll just add that and save that. So a new dashboard will be created. After creating a new dashboard, you have options called change layout. The way I talk you, if you want to divide it the whole page into 3 part, 2 part, 1 part, or 2 part, that's your requirement based on requirement. After that, you have to add the gadget in your dashboard. Here you can add the gadget. So first gadget we will say that assign to me. So this one I will add here. So once I add that, it is asking that maximum number of results. So how many maximum result I can show you in this report. Let's say I will select the 10. And what are the fields I want to show here that we can define here. So I'll say that the first will have a key, then we'll have issue type, then have summary. Before that I want to put the priority and then summary. Okay, so these are the options I want to select that, and then you have options called if you want to auto refresh these gadgets every 15 minutes, you can do that. So I'll just save that and save that. Once I save that, you can see that gadget is added, and at that moment I have only one task which is assigned to me, and that's the reason it is showing like that. If you want to update this title or if you want to update this color also, you can do that. You can simply go here and then select the color. The top color will be changed. If you want to rename, you can just update and rename that. Fine. Now we'll come to here and then let's say that what we can do. We have a one called uh, filter result. So you can select the filter result and then here we have to select the filter. So as you remember in last video, I have created a filter which show you that epic, unassigned epic. We'll select that all epic which is unassigned and story. And here I can put the name and then you can, as I said, we can rearrange these details and just save that. So right now you can see all these epic story which is unassigned is right now showing, and if I want to move this to right side, I can simply click here and then it will move to the right side. So this way you can create, or you can see what is going on in your project basically. Now let's say that I want to do a let's say that there are various type of reports. So you can see I can add the pie chart. So let's say I will add the pie chart. Under the pie chart we have to select the project or any filter that we have created. Let's say at that moment I want to select the project. So I'll say that project name is the we have a project called uh, training project. So I'll select the project as a training project, and after that we have even you can select any filter if you want, and then we have to select that which on which field. So I'll select the issue type here as a statistic and then save that. Once I save that, you can see it's showing that 72% is task, 22% is epic, and then 4% is story. This way you can, and here we have a breakdown that total 16 tasks, AP is 5, and then story is 1. So this way even you can create your, or depending on your own use cases, if you want to report the whole project's details, how it is going on, what is happening in your project, you can add those here. So that's all about how you can report that, and you can simply click after make modification. You can simply done that, and you can see I have a start mark, which is means that this is my favorite. So now if I go back to the Jira board now, so I'll go to the Jira project. Now from this project, if you see I am in the Jira project, and I can simply go to this my dashboard, whatever I have created, and I can see whatever story is unassigned, whatever how many story is epic, how many story epic, how many is, task is assigned to me, and then I can directly click that, and I can directly land to that task or story to make modification. So dashboard is a very important to run a project, or as a developer also, if you want to track that what are the stories assigned to you, or how many stories assigned to your groups, you can do that by you can get that, you can get all these details by creating a dashboard, and from the dashboard you can get that. So that's it all about today's video. If you have any question, let me know in my comment section. Thank you very much. Have a great day.